Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect a crypto wallet to an exchange. Now, of course, the steps will vary from each exchange. Every app is a little bit different, but the overall steps should stay the same. So, for example, here, if I want to connect my wallet onto the Solana exchange, right? So, the thing I have to do, if I just have to pick an app, so for my app, I'm going to pick Phantom Wallet. So, I'm just going to go to my extension here. For example, I'm going to go to Phantom. Now, on Phantom here, I'm going to go to the account up here. Now on the account up here, I want to click on the plus icon here, add/connect wallet. Now from here, you just create a new account, or if you already have a pre-existing wallet, you can connect it with a hardware like a ledger. You can also import a recovery phase or import a private key as well, or you can do a watch address. If you have a ledger, just click on connect ledger wallet, just click on connect. And then in here, you have to turn on your ledger to connect it onto your Phantom wallet, right? But the overall steps again should be the same. If I go to Trust Wallet here, for example, and I want to connect it to this exchange, the thing I just have to do is go to this button up here and then click on Add New Wallet. Same thing, right? And then from here, if I want to connect to a Ledger wallet, just click on this. You just have to put in your password here. And then I'm just gonna add in my password real quick. Now from here, of course, you'll have to turn on your Ledger to connect it, right? So just click on connect. And then again, I don't have a Ledger, unfortunately, so I can't show you how it works. But this is how you connect a wallet to an exchange. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.